Hey everyone, it's Desiree. I hope everyone is having a good day as always. For those of you that are new, welcome. And for those of you that have been here along my journey, welcome as well. So today I'm going to show you the haul from Scrappy Tails Crafts. Sarina has come out with another collection and it's called Adventure Awaits. This is really cool. I know I say that every time, but this one, if you are a die cutter, oh yeah, this one's for you. And if you love to travel, this one's definitely for you. So these dies are just amazing as to the level of detail that is created. So let's just jump right in. Let's go through what this collection has. Okay, so let's start out. We have our 6 by 8.5 double-sided paper pad. There's 24 sheets. There's 12 designs, and you have 4 of each design. So very deep, rich colors. Now, you know that when she creates her pattern paper, she's actually using her die cut images, which I think is great. Just makes everything cohesive and come together. So we have our cars, we have our bug, we have some great background papers as well. This is absolutely gorgeous. And there is a stamp set that's available for this. That I'm not going to be showing that. I don't have that. But the die is absolutely terrific with how that came out. The Route 66. Every time I hear that, I think of the movie The Cars. Yes. So we have some blue stars, we have some more colorful campers, USA, some planes. Again, this makes me think of the Griswolds and their trip that they took. US road trip, some great black and white, more backgrounds, and then we have repeated our pattern paper. So here's that die that I was talking about. It is called the USA Outline Map. So you'll get all of these individual pieces, and then you'll get this beautiful outline. We have Alaska and Hawaii continued onto that, and that is what that looks like. And it is a nice size piece. So this collection is great for scrapbookers on those 12 by 12 panels, just to create any adventure that you will take. This here is called the Vintage Car Essentials, and this is what we have. So we have an old-fashioned Corvette, we have a light post, a gas tank, and then also a piece of luggage. And just look at all these pieces to create your image, and I think that is wonderful. Die cutting for me is like a puzzle. I can sit here and do it forever. This here is called the A7 Road Trip Map. So we've got our pieces to create our movement. Here's that, what I'm referring to as the station wagon there. We have some great sentiments, road trip, and then Bon Voyage. We have a plane. So, and then this looks like it'll fold up too, so we can make that 3D, or you can keep that flat. We have camping. So we've got some dies that I've grouped together that are great for the camping scene. So here we have our camper. It's called the Layering RV. Absolutely adorable. And look at all these pieces. Again, she's thought of everything when building and building on top. So here's your base. This piece can go up here. Here's the base of the flags. And here's the little pieces to make the flags different colors. So she really thinks about how you would want to layer your pieces. This here's for those campers that go in a tent. This is a tent and a campfire. So we have some trees out in the woods, a lamp, a little tiny blanket, or a, yep, totally forgot what that's called. Sleep thing. Yep, you know what I mean. Of course, our tent and our fire. So again, great layers going on there. We've got some more trees, different styles that we can mix and match. This is called Bear Crossing. So love the fact that we have our sign and our little bear. And then this one here is the camping essentials. So we've got happy camper, fishing, can't forget the marshmallows. We can pull in that campfire for that. We've got a grill, propane tank, some chairs, a little tiny hot dog. And again, great layering capabilities here and possibilities. Now we're going to go into just some travel essentials when we travel. So here we have a miniature style map and the pieces that can go on top. We have a camera, a hat, some magnifying, can't forget what they're, yeah, I'm just losing my mind here, a passport. And again, this is called Travel Essentials Sunglasses. So great little tiny images that you could create some wonderful collage pieces. This here is going to create your suitcases. This is your stacked suitcases. Your journey has just begun. Great sentiment for a journal as well. And we have those stacked there. This one here, we've got our compass, our backpack, our boots, and this is called hiking gear. So here, adventure awaits. I love the fact that we're getting sentiments within our pieces. And again, it's just some great pieces to collage with. Now the main, what I'm calling the main focal point of this collection, and we're going to build up to her 3D. So these here are just signs, travel signs, road signs. So scenic route, arrows, photo op, miles of smiles, are we there, U.S. road trip, pit stop, do not enter, speed limit 65, exit, yield, all the fun road signs that we see. And these are great signs. Again, collaging. This is what I'm seeing and feeling when it comes to this collection. Here we have images that this is for the Midwest. So we're focusing on the United States in the Midwest. So we have Chicago, we have Kansas, Missouri, all of those states here. And I don't know if you're able to see the detail in which all of these are done. So you can see you've got all of these bases and then all of these dies build on these pieces. So here you've got Michigan and it's got that lighthouse. Here's the lighthouse. And then you've got the grass. So these are going to make the most adorable little tiny, you can call them stickers, plates, just these little embellishments that are just going to be awesome. Next up, this is the USA suitcase badges. And you're going to hear me say the word suitcase a lot. So this is just general. We've got USA, we've got the smiley face, we've got a cruise if you take cruises. Here's what the suitcase looks like. And again, these are like those little tiny stickers that you can place to say, this is where I've been. And that's the image that we're looking for. Here we have the Northeast. So we have Vermont, Cape Cod, Pennsylvania, New York, Statue of Liberty, Maine, and all of these different elements. And this is what they look like. Look at the Maine with the lobster. Oh my God. And that's what she did. She focused on certain areas when she was looking at a region within the US, those things that pop out when we think of that region. So you either have some of the states identified or you have those branding mechanisms where, you know, when we think of Northeast, we think of the Liberty Bell, we think of the Statue of Liberty, the taxis going through New York. And she has all of those pieces there. The seashells for the shoreline. So great details. Next up, she did the Southeast. So these are all the dies for that. Georgia, Florida, Outer Banks, all of them. And then this is what they look like. One looks like a luggage tag. We've got Tennessee with the guitar, Love the bottle. Love the whiskey bottle. We have a Jeep. And again, all of these have all of this layering capability, the flip-flops. So tremendous, just absolutely mind-boggling details. This is the West. So we've got California, we've got Idaho, Colorado, all of them. These are, again, are the layering, and then these are what that will create Las Vegas, Utah. And we got a film, because again, Hollywood, all of the fun things, the dice for gambling, those film reel, just some fun images. This one here is the Southwest. So we've got New Mexico, Texas, Arizona going on in this one. Here's that Route 66. Absolutely love that. The cowboy boot, hot air balloon, cactus, a little TP tent. And again, all of these pieces you will layer up. So great scrap buster. Here is an international. She did not forget about the international. So here we have Rome, all of these different, we have a London bus. Here we've got Egypt, we've got Canada, there's the heart with London, we've got Japan, we've got the Eiffel Tower for France. So again, all of these adorable images are great and designed for the pop-up. And her pop-up is the A7 suitcase pop-up. So this is what this looks like. You can put all of these badges or stickers all around. And what's great is it creates a box that can open. So it's like a mini album where you can put your ATC photo cards or little tiny badges on ATCs and put them in to say this is where we've been. These are the mechanisms that go into the side so that you can have that accordion opening. She's done a couple videos already on this, and I'll make sure that her channel is linked down below so that you can check them out. But this is the collection, and again, focused on the dies. There is the stamp set that's available that works with the die that I already have. She did have a deluxe kit, but I do believe the deluxe kit has sold out. But there are other bundles that are available, so I'll also have her website linked down below so that you can check those out as well. She is in the process, what inspired this, from what I understand, she is in the process of going from show to show to show, and she's absolutely having a ball, it sounds like. So she thought this was cute that she could, you know, commemorate all of these locations that she's going to for the next several weeks, her and her family, and they are just having a grand time. What she also has available now, of course, she's added to her pearl and gem mixes. This is just one of many. So this is some blue, white, and red pearls. Always love pearls. And she's also making available magnets. So you can get some magnets from her shop as well, just a small amount. So when you make your suitcase, you can have it closed through a magnet if you want, if you did not want to create a tie. So these are available there, and they are awesome magnets. Use these all the time when it comes to journals and scrapbook albums. And then if you do spend over $125 or more, she does have a freebie. And this is what the freebie looks like. It's these cool looking aviator glasses that we can build scenes in. And they're just a couple of the scenes that you can build. So that is the Adventure Awaits by Scrappy Tails. I'm excited to start digging into this. I'm not quite sure where to start when it comes to my projects, but Be sure to stick around and make sure you subscribe so that you can see the creations that we come up with. And just enjoy. Again, I'll have everything linked down below in the video description, and if you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below as well. Enjoy what you're creating. Have fun enjoying what you do when you create your art. Obviously, I love my die cutting as well, along with journals and scrapbooks. But I do love this. These are like puzzles for me to just sit there and put them together. I hope everyone has a great day. Enjoy the process. Have fun. If you do celebrate the holiday that's fast upon us for July, enjoy. I hope you enjoy that time with your family and friends. If not, make it a day of crafting for yourselves. Remember what's always important though, guys. Always be creative in everything that you do. I will talk to you in the next one. And until then, take care and be safe. Talk to you soon.